Ain't nothing like having your own personal garbage disposals. They doing what they supposed to. Got them out here rooting and tooting. Thank you, much gratification. Yeah, thank you. Then we got the little chicken tractors over there, you know. They love to scratch and dig and peck and stuff. They helping them till up the land. Nothing like that natural tillage. Look at them. Till, baby, it's till. But, you know, put a little scrap out there and make them work. Look at them. Get your own little ecosystem going. There's gonna be some fertile land.